All right, what's going on, peoples? I gotta do something to my PlayStation 5, right? So, one of the things is that a lot of these games take up so much storage and space. So before I was like, I'm gonna hop into anything. I was talking to my brother, and he was like, definitely get you a M.2 SSD card. And so I actually got the Lexar. There's a couple of different ones. You can go to PlayStation. You can go to Corsair. I mean, there's a bunch of different ones. They're just a little bit more expensive. This one was probably like, I don't like two something, 220 or something like that. I'll put the link somewhere if y'all want to see it. But basically, I had got one, but it was the wrong one, and then I had to order this one because you want one that has a heat sink. So, oh, got the whole thing shaking. But you want one that has a heat sink and that has a thermal pad, just so that it doesn't overheat and malfunction while you put it in there. You don't want to. You spend all this money buying a PlayStation 5 and you don't want to mess it up, especially it starts lagging. So get the right one. So I got the right one. I'm out to just install that in. I watched a quick clip from PlayStation. I'll add that clip in here if you want that to go watch. If you need to do it to your PlayStation or any other device that probably has to have this done if you're playing a lot of games. And I got it right over here, so I'm about to do that. I'm gonna change the camera view. So I got it all set up now. I got a PlayStation. I took off the stand, and this is what it basically looks like. There's a screw that comes with it. This is what it looks like. It's way heavier and thicker than the other one that I had, so I can definitely tell that off the bat. And just see what it says on. It's a 4 terabyte. You're gonna need the space. So basically, you want to just like flip this over, and then like you want to grab either on the corner. Like I grab from this corner here, and you just want to lift it up, and then just slide, and it'll come off like that. Pretty easy. And then the piece is inside here. So I just grabbed a little screwdriver real quick. This might be like, I might need a really tiny one. No, hold on 1 second. All right, found another one. I just had another one up here because I was taking some other stuff apart. When I looked at the video, it was really easy, real quick. Took the screw out, sit that down. This piece just comes up. And then there's the empty slot. There's another screw inside here that you need to take out. And then there's like a little like spacer part. So that screw comes out. Oh, I might just screw it. I might take it a little bit more. And let's see. It's fighting. All right, I got that. And then there's like, oh, almost lost it there. Ooh. It's magnetic, so I can just pick it right up. Don't do what I did. Okay, so anyway, so there's this little spacer piece here. They're really small and tiny, so it's easy to drop it. But you're supposed to just like put it where you think the piece is gonna go. So I'm gonna sit that down because I don't actually know how big this is until I slide it in there. All right, let's try to get that. It's that little small screw, so just gotta be careful trying to open this. All right. Oh, it's another piece. So it's another layer. Oh, wait, hold on. So this is really heavy, pretty solid. Looks pretty great. I film a lot of stuff, pardon my nails, but I film a lot of stuff with my iPhone, and I think it has really clear, like, it's a pretty good clear camera. So let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it's a piece of tape covering it. Let me try to get this off. Alright, so there's a little screw inside here that you can use. So I'm gonna put that there, and then what you're supposed to do is it's supposed to just slide in. So I'm gonna see how big this is. I think that's probably the spot that I needed it. So I guess like right there, and then it should just, let's see, supposed to put it right in at an angle. Probably gotta slide this piece over a little bit more. Might not even need this. Oh, there you go. It clipped right in, because I don't know if I need this piece, but let me check. Might need it. Nah. Well, I feel like it's gonna be in the way. Let me slide it out. Cause how did, let's see, hold on. Okay, it went in there. And now you just put that little screw in there. Ooh. See, that's what I was worried about. Is that actually gonna fit in there? It's a really tiny screw. Ooh. All right, now I think I got it in place. Ooh. It's just because I got a magnetic one. Now it wants to act funny. All right. That was like the hardest part. Just trying to get that to like stop moving. All right, so that's pretty much locked in. All you gotta do is just slide this piece back on. And you screw that back in there. Now, what you want to do before you do all this, definitely watch that other video. But you can cut back to this just for reference. But what I did, what you want to do is make sure that your PlayStation is updated. Like whatever new software updates that need to be done, you want to do that. But right after you do that, you can do this process. And then I should be able to just snap it back on. All right, clips right back in. And then you can flip it over. And you should be able to just turn it back on. And then there's like a section where it will basically say you have more storage. I can show that part real quick. I'm going to just flip the camera again. All right, so as soon as I turned it on, this is what it says. It just says M.2 SSD storage. And it says to use your M.2 SSD, you need to format it. And it says, you know, when you format it, all data on it will be deleted, right? So I did this before I started anything, right? Notes that, you know, even your data, your screenshots, everything. So I'm going to format it. And then it should just, you know, run through this process real quick. I got the sound bar on, but I got it on low.
SSD storage. Try installing it in console storage. Read speed 6,533 megabits per second.
Just talking about the read speed.
M.2 SSD storage. Your M.2 SSD has been formatted.
Then it just turns off. It says
wasn't turned off properly. Before unplugging the AC power cord, select power, turn off P.
So I'm gonna hit that again. And then we should be, I'm about to get me a bigger screen. This is like a 28-inch. All right.
Enter your PS5 login passcode.
Hold on one second. All right, do all that stuff. I think it should be good now. Yeah, Now I should have more storage. I'm gonna go to setting. Let me see storage. And yeah, so there it says 667.2 gigabytes. And then it says, what I used on apps and stuff like that. I'll just download a couple of different apps. But here, it says it has 4 terabytes. And then this is just the extended storage. I didn't get the extended storage because it was just saying it was different complications that you could run into with the USB one. But as you can see, I got that. And then I got the SSD storage. So I'm in business now. It's working. I wanted to switch the camera real quick, but like you can see, I did it pretty quickly. This is like a 10-minute video, but you could literally do it in probably 5 minutes. I was just trying to film it, so it just made things a little bit harder. But yeah, I'm all set to go. The only thing I'm mad about is I had an old PlayStation 5. An old PlayStation account, and it was from like PS3. And I had like all these trophies and everything. I cannot get back into that account. So I just had to start a whole new account. It's all good. I want to start this over anyway, so that way y'all can see it from the start to the beginning. I'm going to get these rewards and trophies back up, depending on what games I got. But, hey, I'm going to drop my tag. If y'all want to add me, go add me.